Okay, factoring po tayo, no? Here we got an expression that is quite different, no, from those of the standard form of equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, no? So, yung nasa baba, ito yung standard form of algebraic expression, no? Okay, but then when we try to look at our example above, we will notice that what is present is only a, which is 1, and negative 9, which is equivalent to c. So missing yung value ng bx. So for us to factor this kind of expression, we need to rewrite it into standard form. If we try and write this into standard form, it will appear like this. X squared plus, since walang bx, 0x plus negative 9. Okay, this is how we rewrite x squared minus 9 into standard form. Okay, now to factor this rewritten algebraic equation, we need to look into negative 9, no? The value of c. Okay, let's think of a number which when we multiply will give us negative 9, but when we add will give us 0, the value of b. Okay, so let's look at the many factors of negative 9, no? Okay, factors of negative 9 can be negative 1 times positive 9. It will give us negative 9, right? Another factor can also be positive 1 times negative 9. It will also give us negative 9. Another, it can be negative 3 multiplied by positive 3. It will also give us negative 9. Okay, so hahanapin natin which two factors when we multiply will give us negative 9, but when we add will give us the value of b, which is 0. Okay, yung negative 1 times positive 9 will give us negative 9, no? But when we add negative 1 and positive 9, will it give us 0? No, it will not give us. It will give us positive 9. Okay, the same thing goes with factors like positive 1 and negative 9, no? When we try and multiply positive 1 and negative 9, yes, it will give us negative 9. But when we try to add 1 plus negative 9, it will not give us 0. Rather, it will give us negative 8. So let's look at the third set of factors. Okay, negative 3 plus multiplied by negative 3 multiplied by positive 3. Yes, it will give us negative 9. Let's try adding this time, no? Negative 3 plus positive 3. Will it give us 0? Yes, it will give us 0. Okay. So, what then are the factors of this algebraic equation? X squared minus 9, no? That leads us to x minus 3 multiplied to quantity x plus 3. Okay, so ganun ka simple, no?